Good morning, boys and girls. Yeah, I'm out and about on the truck today. Got to make a living somehow. Look at that fucking idiot. We're in roadworks. Hope you've been enjoying the 80 series build. We're going to get into pulling the motor out next. Once I get back to the shed, someone's got to do it. Might as well be me. Oh, shit. All right, made it back to the shed.
So we've got a comment from a long-time subscriber, Robert Oz. Robert says, I noticed your fan belts are on the wrong side of the flat idler tensioner. Normally they run on the other side of the belt. What's going on with that, Benno? After a fair bit of checking with Manuel and asking Auntie Google, this is actually the correct routing of the fan belts. Strange as it may seem, looks wrong, but it is how Toyota designed it.
I've been doing some calculations. I want to make sure that my engine hoist will lift this motor, transmission and transfer case. The overall weight comes in at 1,099 pounds or 498.498 kilograms. So I'll bank on 500. If I add another 100 kilos, that's still only 600 kilograms. The engine hoist is rated at 1,000 kilograms, so I should be okay. I should be able to lift the engine, transmission and transfer case all that in one hit without too much drama, and hopefully the crane doesn't fail. So for better or for worse,
do it! Do it!
it's an absolute pain in the ass. Well, I've got 3 of these bolts from the front drive shaft undone, but I cannot get to the top one. Right, so I've got the rear drive shaft out, the cross member's out, it's being held up by the jack at the moment. One bolt undone, I should be able to lift this drive shaft out. Then I'll get up to the front, undo the engine mounts, hook some chains on, and hopefully it'll lift out. Oh, that's loose. You beauty. Yes, it is loose. You fucking ripper. Come here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Come on, come on. Come on with that last little bit. There we go. Yeah. Drive shafts are disconnected. Well, it's out. What a job. That's got to be, without doubt, the hardest motor I've ever had to pull out of any vehicle. There's nothing simple about it. The size of that gearbox, that's huge. Oh, cheers. I think I've earned a few of these. Now the real work starts. So whatever needs doing is going to get done on the floor. As you can see, it's a leaky, oily beast. Well, it'll be a bloody good motor once the job's done. Oh, I'm exhausted. One of the reasons why I wanted to pull the motor out. Get some light in there. It's just caked. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's just caked with grease and shit and God knows what, and I just don't like it. I'm so sick to death of working on greasy, shitty fucking car. So I'm going to make it all nice and clean, and that way I'll know whether there's any new oil leaks at least to get off these engine mounts. So there's your engine mounts there and there. They just a little bit extra clearance would have made things a lot easier. So while I've got this out, I'm going to do things like diff breathers and I'll clean up the diff housing properly. It's actually taken me about 3 days to get this engine out, doing it all by myself. I've got no help whatsoever here. It's just me. I'm doing the whole thing all by myself. No sponsors, no mechanic mate buddies coming to help me. I'm doing it all. This rocker cover's leaking like a sieve, pretty standard on these. I'm pretty sure the rear main seal is leaking like a sieve as well. But that all could be coming from this rocker cover. That's something that might possibly be. I don't know yet. I won't know that until I get the transmission off and have a look at the rear main. I don't claim to know all about it. Like I've said before, I'm pretty sure I've said before, but I'll say it again. I'm not a qualified mechanic and I've never done one of these before, but I'm glad it's out. I'm glad it's out on the ground now. Yeah, it's gonna make life a lot easier. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching me struggle along, give us a thumbs up. I could use the encouragement. Drop us a comment. Tell me how much of this you reckon I've done wrong. I've done it the hard way. You know, I probably have. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, drop us a comment and come back for the next one. Alright, so I've had enough. Day's done, sun's gone down. I'm sweating like a stuck pig and I need a shower real bad. So I'm gonna go. I'll catch us all later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. Catch you next time. Bye. I don't want to have to put it in, pull it out, put it in, pull it out. That's gonna be a pain in the ass.